Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Dropbox account online, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Dropbox account online, first open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in dropbox.com like this and hit on enter, and that will be directed over here, which is the home page of Dropbox. And at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available over here. Click on sign in, and after that you can see you'll be required to enter your email address and your password over here. My computer has auto-filled my data or my credentials of my Dropbox account, and my computer has auto-filled it. With that being said, after entering your email address and your password, click on sign in to log into your Dropbox. But before that, if you have not yet created an account on Dropbox, simply click on create an account to go through the sign up process of Dropbox, and where you will be able to create your account. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot your password over here to go through a procedure to retrieve it. With that being said, you can directly sign into Dropbox with your Google or your Apple ID over here if you have not yet registered, or if you don't want to register. With that being said, guys, just click on sign in, and the guys, we have successfully logged into our Dropbox accounts online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.